Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be taking you guys to Trinity Hobby. It's located in Ottawa, the capital city of Canada. And speaking of Trinity Hobby, it's the store that was broken into twice 2 years ago, soon after its opening. Ottawa is located in southeastern Ontario. We'll be taking a road trip there, and it's gonna take around 4 hours drive. Time for a nap. Walking into the store, I noticed several spacious tables where staffs were busy setting up card games. Various group workshops and activities are organized almost daily. You can find the schedule on the event page of their website. These are all the Kotobukiya kits and the Nandoroi series. And a whole bunch of 30-minute missions, card kits, sci-fi, 30-minute sisters, and accessories. And a variety of Mecha Musume kits, Digimons, Dragon Ball, Figurized, and resin kits. And the Pokemon session. And they also carry many anime collectibles like scale figures, Figma figures, metal bills, blind boxes, and even nano blocks. These are the gunpla session. The store is well organized, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for, and the staffs are super knowledgeable and always ready to help. And a variety of card games and accessories. And these are the basic material for Warhammer and dioramas. They have a long aisle stocked with hobby tools, far too many to mention here. They carried various paint brands including Army Painter, Mr. Hobby, Aoki Silver Oaks Paint, Gaia Notes, Hobby Mio Paint, Moto Colors, Splash Paint, Tamiya, Turbodork, AK Interactive, Citadel, Vallejo, Molato, Monument Hobbies, and Outclad 2 Paints. These are some incredible selection of Warhammer miniatures. And they have so many board games. They also have 2 large rooms on the second floor, which are set up for Warhammer games and can be used for other activities. Whether you're into painting, building, or just collecting, this store has something here for everyone. After saying goodbye to Trinity Hobby, we're now heading for a quick brunch. We won't have enough time for the Tulip Festival today, and besides, I'm a bit allergic to nature, so let's skip it. I'm glad that I'm not driving today, and now I can nap again. Hope you guys liked my video, and if you happen to stop by Ottawa, don't forget to visit Trinity Hobby. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more content. See you next time!